In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your ActiveCampaign account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have your device handy, whether that's a computer, laptop, or tablet. To log into ActiveCampaign, you first need to open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Just double-click on the browser icon to launch it. Once you're in your browser, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the screen. That's where you'll type in the URL for ActiveCampaign, which is simply www.activecampaign.com. Go ahead and type that in, and then hit the Enter key on your keyboard or tap Go if you're using a touchscreen device. Now that you're on the ActiveCampaign homepage, look for the Login button. Typically, you'll find that button in the upper right corner of the page. It should be easy to spot, and it often has a distinctive color that sets it apart. Click on that Login button, and you'll be redirected to the login page. At this point, you should see two fields where you'll need to enter your information. The first field is for your email address. This is the email that you used when you signed up for ActiveCampaign. Go ahead and type your email into this field. Just make sure there are no typos. Otherwise, the system won't recognize your account. After you've entered your email, it's time to move to the next field, which is your password. Just like your email, it's crucial that you enter it correctly. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure you pay attention to any uppercase or lowercase letters. Once you've entered your password, take a moment to double-check it to avoid login issues. Now, if you're feeling a bit cautious and you want to make sure you're entering the right password, many browsers allow you to view the password character. Usually, there will be an eye icon next to the password field. Click that icon to see the password you just typed. Once you're satisfied with the information entered, go ahead and click the Login button. Upon clicking Login, the system will process your information. If everything is correct, you should now be inside your ActiveCampaign account. If you received an error message, perhaps saying that your email or password is incorrect, don't worry. You can always click on the Forgot Your Password link underneath the login fields. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password, allowing you to regain access to your account. Just follow the instructions sent to your email, and you'll be on your way. Alright, congratulations on successfully logging in. Once you're in, you can start exploring all the features that ActiveCampaign has to offer, from email marketing to automation tools designed to enhance your business communications. Thanks for tuning in to this video on how to log in to your ActiveCampaign account. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Happy